Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Lot of requests. Astar, what kind of flowers would you put into blue and white containers, Ming-inspired Chinese patterned willow pattern containers? To that I want to say whatever your heart desires, but a colour that always looks well and works well in any environment is blue and white. I have never seen blue and white fail when it comes to bringing life to a room. And I liken it to the blue of the sky with the clouds. That's what blue and white means to me. Not a stormy day, but a nice summer's day with lovely floaty clouds. So that's what this type of container reminds me of. Now, it doesn't matter. Now, you get to have a bit of an issue here when you've got this shape. Well, no, you don't really, because it's actually quite a good shape. And if a shape of a vase has to be preferred, I do prefer this because some of them are very difficult to work with. Right. You could put tulips into here and just let them come up and cascade down. You could put beautiful freesias, just plonk the freesias in and just let them rain resplendently. You could put roses into here, you could put peonies into here. But what I love is a beautiful magnolia with some gorgeous hydrangeas. Okay, now I like to start with the hydrangeas first. I like to put one down and then I like to bring one up like so. So far, so good. Now, it's the blue and whites aren't quite the same colorway, but it's okay. It's sort of kind of working. It's working for me. Okay, let's bring in a magnolia. And what I'm doing with these is I'm crossing them over as I put them in. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want to use any kind of structure to hold them in place. Now, I've got two over that side, and I think I'm just going to bring two short ones over this side. Now, I think it was, where did I see these? I think it was Amazon. Okay, so there we are. Now, it's not perfect. I don't want it to be perfect at this stage. I just want it to just be like I went outside, I picked the flowers and I placed them. Now, with these, I'm having a love affair with beautiful berries. And the reason I'm doing that is because they're really good at breaking down heavy round forms. It's a lovely form that just sort of like fills in a space and it just gives things a little bit of a movement. So I've got some over that side and I just think I want to bring one to the back because that just is going to give it a bit of balance. And about now I'm going to go round here and I'm just going to have a look at where I'm going because I think I need to just bring one of the berries down into there. And I could be, if I wasn't going so fast and took my time, I could actually diffuse those berries, but I'll let you do that. So just see what happens just by diffusing that. Now I've got a deeper set of berries. Actually, these snowberries, I think that's what they were white, and I've just given them a mist over with a little bit of navy spray just to bring a little bit of depth into there. And with that, I'm going to just bring that down in and over to there without killing the magnolia. Okay, that can just sit to there. Now I look at it. Oh, did you see that? Didn't even go in. Goodness me. Right, the next thing I do is I look at it and I think it just needs something else. And this is when you call on my best friend ever. This green is what I call spring green. It's like new growth. And this will just bring any arrangement that you ever do to life. And I think that that's what this design needs. So let me just turn this around and let me just get these into place and I will explain. You'll be able to visually see why I put those into there. And that needs to go that way and that berry needs to go there. All right, just got to get this down and into there, everyone, and then I'll be satisfied. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And now with this here, if you don't want it to be sitting so high because it's artificial, what you can do is you can have one up and you can have one down, and there it is. Simple, beautiful, classic, blue and white into a Ming-inspired vase, a little bit of green to bring it to life. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. And by the way, just snowballs into a container look amazing. See you again another day.